Interrogations with the culprits. Charlie Crook.
I didn't take the bag. It wouldn't match my belt.
Betty Bandit.
If I want to steal money, I rob a bank. I don't bother with small-scale stealing.
Robbie Robber. I like jewels, not silver. I'm sure it's not even real silver on the bag, by the way. Rita Rascal.
I would never step foot in a classroom. There's so much dust. I'm allergic to dust.
Penny Pickpocket.
What would I do with such a small bag? My monkey would never fit in that small bag.
Theodore Thief.
I am a thief and a gentleman. I would never steal anything from a lady.